Once again, welcome to my virtual learning space. We have already studied how to calculate yield to maturity using the formula. We have thoroughly studied it manually, how to solve it using the formula. You can easily solve YTM problems, yield to maturity problems, using a Google Sheet. So this quick video is intended to help you to understand how to solve YTM problems with the help of a Google Sheet. So let me share my screen so that it will be easy to explain. So this is your Google Sheet, and there is a problem already typed in. So we will try to solve this problem. Right, what we are expected to find out? YTM. So what we have in the problem? Face value is 1000. B0 or current market price is equal to 800. Coupon rate C is equal to 9%. T, maturity period, is equal to 8 years. So we have all these in the problem. We are asked to find out yield to maturity of the bond. It's very easy. We have a yield function. So type is equal to and type yield, yield. So that function will appear. Select it. Then type in the parameters carefully. So it is asking for the beginning date. So we assume 19th August. So month should come first. 8th is the month, August 19th, 2020. We should put an apostrophe. Then comma. Then when it is going to mature after 8 years. So type in 8th month, August month, 19th, 2028. After that, put a comma, then type in the coupon rate, that is 0.09. Then market price is 800. So here the issue is the function is assuming everything by default in terms of 100. So you have to convert 800 into 100 terms. So we have to type 80 here instead of 800. Then instead of 1000, we put face value 100. It is because the function takes by default everything in terms of 100. That's why we are converting it. Then frequency of coupon payment is annual. So we type 1. If it is semi-annual, we should type 2. Close the bracket. We have received the answer. It is 0.1319. So that is equal to 13.19%. So YTM is equal to 13.19% for this problem. It's very easy, right, to solve it using the Google Sheet. Let us do one more problem. Suppose you purchased a bond of face value rupees 1000 for 920 from the market. The coupon rate is 10% and maturity period remaining is 10 years. Calculate yield to maturity. So face value, we have 1000. Market price, current market price is 920. Maturity period T is equal to 10 years. Coupon payment C is equal to coupon payment C. It is not CMP, it's C. C is equal to 10%. So these are the details given in the problem. So how to solve it? Put n is equal to sign, then type yield. Yield function will appear, select it. Put a bracket, then apostrophe. So we assume we purchased the bond. So the date is 8/19/2020, comma, maturity period is 10 years. So again, 8/19 August 2030, comma, coupon rate is 10%, so 0.10, comma, price, current market price is 920. As I said before, it takes in terms of 100, so we type 92 instead of 920. Then face value 1000, so we have to take 100. Then frequency, we assume once in a year coupon rate. Coupon rate frequency it is asking, so it is once in a year. If it is semi-annual, you put 2 instead of 1. Here it is 1. Close the bracket. You got the answer 0.13801375. So when we convert it into percentage terms, it will be 11.38. So the answer is 11.38%. Why your YTM of the bond in this problem is 11.38%. I hope you were able to understand how I solved it using Google Sheet. So this is very easy when compared to solving it using the formula. Okay, thank you.